Hello everyone, this is Miss Hunt and I wanted to walk you through logging into Canvas. So what you want to do first is go to www.kdisd.org, which many of you have probably gone to before, and you'll find this button called My KD Login. When you click on it, it will take you over to a picture that says My KD, and you'll click on it and the next screen will take you to a login. You'll put your username and your password in there and log in. When you get to available choices, you might need to search and write in Canvas if you do not see this picture right away. Once you've done that, you click on Canvas, and then your student should see a picture that says it is their Canvas course, and you'd click on that, and it would take you to your child's teacher's page, which might look something like this if it were the 5th grade page. So I am going to show you some of the buttons that are here. We've got a button for a newsletter. If you click on it, it can tell you what's happening in 5th grade. And when you want to get back to the page you were just on, you can go to the home page, or you can go up to the back button. There are other buttons that also talk about what's happening in 5th grade. This week button is going to tell you what important assignments are due for that week. I'm going to click back and go using the home button. And then I've got a page that is about the teacher. I've got, for this course, I've got a math course and a science course. For your ELA teachers, they will also have buttons for their course content as well. So if I clicked on the math course, it would take me to a unit page that has our curriculum overview. And what students can do here, they will see a big button that says click here. They click on it, that will take them to their lessons. And once we move through other units, that button will move as well. And there'll be information over here about what the unit is going to cover. For this button right here at the top, this is not a Dreambox login button, but it is a button that will allow you to go to a page that has helpful information about logging into Dreambox and about getting information about what Dreambox is and how it can be helpful. So I hope that that helps you get to your Canvas page. And if you have any questions, make sure to let your teacher know and they can help you out a little bit more. Thank you.